Please what?
Please.
Did you like the food?
Yes, I do. Because I like the food all the time. Because you're the best cook, Mommy.
Oh, thank you so much, Ethan.
Because I love you very much.
I love you more.
I know I love you more.
Oh, you swallow your food, anak.
But just small mountain, okay?
Hmm?
And just and then I just go to my I just go to Canada and fries it.
Mm-hmm. Finish your food, come on.
And then
Use your fork.
it's just delicious.
You love it?
I love it. I love it. I'm just saying I like it. Okay. It's almost finished, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There's a part time of your boy named Ethan.
Swallow your food, anak, before you talk, huh?
There's a part time. There was a boy named Ethan. He made this one for my and Mommy took it for me, and then I eat it.
Okay, and then
then I do my homework, and then I just tell Mommy to do some more. The end.
very good.
Could you make some more water, please? Have a little more, please. Okay. Okay. Excuse me.
Your excuse.
And then we went to the library and we read about stories about dinosaurs.
Mm-hmm.
And then they live happy and then they were going home and then Daddy, we got the dinosaurs. And Daddy said Daddy drive us to the library and then Daddy would drive us to the library just in time for the dinosaur book. And then the one they borrow it next.
Okay, we'll borrow the dinosaur book next time.
Yes, okay.
Are you done with your food?
Not yet. Okay.
Where are you
Is
going?
it finished now?
Which one?
The video.
Not yet.
Almost?
Almost. After you finish your food.
Okay, I have to make funny faces. Just
Go sit down and finish your food.
and
Come on, and then I'll show this to Daddy.
And then Mommy has come to, and we were going to the bath and the uncle did come out there and he said, "What the
Ethan, finish your food now. Come on.
And then I told him to
Sit down properly, please.
Then go in the mail station. I like to the door in the mail station all the time. Oh, all the time. I love my mommy so much more. And don't go get so much though. I love you, mommy, no much. Go.
I love you so much too, son.
Thank you, mommy.
Are you done?
Yes, I am.